Which is the symbol of the Indian rupee? Option D. Which is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. In which state is Shimla? Himachal Pradesh. Which famous fort is located in Delhi? Red Fort. Kuchipudi is a dance from which state? Andhra Pradesh. Which monument is located in Agra? Taj Mahal. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is an actor? Shah Rukh Khan. Who was an astronaut? Kalpana Chawla.